We now move on to the Kimpro Platinum Standard for Education. It was first introduced in 2005. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to announce our 12th Kimpro Platinum Standard for Education is Mrs. Shukla Bose. May I request Paul to please read the citation.
Shukla Bose, founder and CEO, Parikrama Humanity Foundation, Bengaluru, is an educational visionary. She believes in a life on equal terms. The foundation has a simple mission to ensure that even the poorest child from the slums can access the best possible opportunities in the world. Ms. Bose started her career at the Oberoi Grand, Kolkata, and steadily climbed up the corporate ladder. Having a master's in comparative literature and an MBA in marketing, she had the foundation of dealing with leaders, management, and staff. During the first 7 years of her corporate life, Ms. Bose also worked closely with Mother Teresa. She started at Nirmal Hriday, caring for the destitute, and later moved to Shishu Bhavan to take care of abandoned children. After 26 years of corporate experience, including that in the boardroom, Shukla Bose established the Parikrama Humanity Foundation in 2003. Ms. Bose started Parikrama with a rooftop school in Rajendra Nagar for 165 children from marginalized families. Today, the foundation runs 4 schools and even a junior college. Collectively, they offer support to over 1,700 children from 4 orphanages and 72 slums in the city of Bengaluru. The differentiating features of Parikrama are several. Corporate practices have been internalized into the venture by Ms. Bose. Children from families earning less than 3,000 per month are provided with free, high-quality education in English medium schools through the CBSE board. In addition, they are provided with 3 meals a day, comprehensive health care, and family support. Best practices in education, sports, and other creative activities are adopted by Parikrama with the intent to make the students employable. Above all, Ms. Bose's listening skills are an asset for motivating children. Parikrama alumni are responsible citizens having successful careers and often are change agents in India and overseas. Ms. Bose has now established the Education Transformation Center through which government teachers, and I dare say they need this, from 200 schools are being trained and mentored to adopt the best practices in education. This, ladies and gentlemen, has the potential to impact nearly 70,000 children. We salute you, Ms. Bose, and we will want you to come forward and receive your award.
May I request Mr. F.C. Kohli and Dr. K.K. Noria to please felicitate Dr.
Thank you, Kimpro Foundation, the jury and trustees of Kimpro for identifying me and thinking that I was deserving of this award. It's indeed quite humbling as well as daunting to be recognized because it comes with even greater responsibilities. When I left my high-profile corporate career of 26 years and wanted to get into social work, as I had been interned in by Mother Teresa. I worked with her for 7 years. I knew education was the only way that we would be able to bring any change in our country. And of course, I loved children, so that made it better. But we have now expanded a model to not just educating children, but educating teachers and educating parents, because we believe that you can only create change in children if you create create a stable environment around them. So, as mentioned, the journey that began very simply from my kitchen table with all my life savings has now expanded into a fairly large enterprise with more to cover. A school that began on a rooftop with half a tin roof with 11 staff members in 2003 with 165 children has now become 1,700 children, 4 schools, a junior college and a teacher training center, and digital learning centers for mothers, vocational learning centers for fathers, tailoring classes for older siblings who didn't go to college or school. So it's become what we call a circle of life transformation, where we take care of everything that has any impact on a child's development by bringing in quality in that life. In Parikrama, we believe that, compassion and passion has to be embedded together. If you have compassion, but you do not have the passion, it's of no use. But passion without compassion is of no value to the world around. In the same way, with quality and has to lead to equality. Because if quality doesn't lead to equality, then this divide that we have in our society, this crippling divide, has to change, and it can only change if we bring in quality in social work, in business, and everything else that we do. And that's why we have brought in several corporate best practices in. We are creating our schools as leadership models where other NGOs, other schools can learn from. And we are establishing benchmarks of how to operate. So we have procedures manuals of how to start up an NGO school. We have training to NGO workers as well as teachers of how to enliven a classroom and bring magic into the classroom. Because till you bring in magic into a classroom, learning will never be that eventful for a child's life. So our answers are there. I have several software engineers in companies like Cisco, IBM, Mphasis. They were kids who 13 years ago I picked up from the street. And they came to school, went to college, sat for the CET exam, and got first class in their engineering and are now working in highly respected multinational companies. The best thing is, the first thing that they do when they get into children coming from households where 5 members of family, 3,000 rupees to take care of the entire need, are now themselves earning 42,000, 50,000 rupees per month. The first thing they do is they rent an apartment a little away from the slums and move their family out of the slums. The second thing they do is they get into an arrangement where they contribute on a monthly basis to Parikrama to ensure that other children from the slums get the opportunity to come to school. So change has to happen, and change can happen if we look at problems in a comprehensive manner and bring in quality at every level of the service. Thank you so much, Quimpro, and thank you for recognizing me.